So y'all, this says Irresistible Me. Y'all, this video is sponsored by Irresistible Me. Y'all see what I'm looking like, looking hot as me. It's okay, your girl is about to do something with it. So I have, y'all, clip-in extensions. It says, we're into love letters and all that cheesy stuff, so don't even try to resist. Hopefully the feelings are mutual. Take a photo and use hashtag Irresistible Me when you get done with your hair, y'all. Y'all know I'm usually natural, so I did straighten my hair, but I didn't work out and I didn't do all type of stuff. So guess what? I'm looking a hot mess. I need some resurrection. Okay, so we probably gonna put our flat irons on because I don't want to put all that heat in my hair again. Like a 35. So here y'all, we have the package. Okay. And this part is the clip-in extension, so let's open it. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna do a half up, half down. I don't know what to do, okay? Don't know what to do. So these are our extensions, and this is virgin hair. Yeah. I just want to see what this is, and this on this other side. It looks like a bang piece or something. It looks like it's a bang piece. Oh, it is. So this is a shorter weft extension, okay? We figured out. So this is just an extra clip-in extension, y'all. Can y'all see? Can y'all see that? Okay. I don't know, I might need this somewhere. We gonna see. So we got that. I think I got these in 20 inches, y'all. The hair is really, really full, okay? Oh, it feels good. This hair feels good, baby. Look at all that body. It feels thick, it feels luxurious, it feels, kind of good, boo, kind of good. I might wind up doing a half up, half down. I don't know. Okay, we about to find out. Let's just get to it, bro. Let me go ahead and open this up. Show y'all what we got up in here. Okay, so this is full. So yeah, I guess that's an extra bundle, like an extra piece that they give you. Okay, so we got two clip wefts. Well, 3 because of that other one. We got 1 clip wefts. Okay, no, so 4 2 clip wefts. Here is the nape. This is the thick nape piece. So this is for the back of the head. And then we have 2 3 clip wefts. So that's dope. To me, it looked like it's about a bundle and a half, maybe, yeah, bundle and a half of hair totally. So y'all, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? Half up, half down? Half up, half down? I don't know. Half up, half down? We're gonna start by parting this up because I don't want to put no whole bunch of heat back up in my head, okay? We're gonna part this section off, y'all. I'm trying to get in like a 10-minute style right quick. Okay, so you see what I got back here. Part 1 section out closer to the bottom of the head, and I'm gonna just run a quick flat iron through that back there because I want that to be straight enough to blend in with these clip-ins, hopefully. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick run through. Like I said, I don't really put heat in my hair as much, so I ain't trying to do that, okay? Okay, quick run through. Don't look like nothing happened. Okay, y'all, so we got that first part out. Okay, we're gonna take a 2-section clip, okay? We're gonna that boy into place. Okay, we got that one in there. A 3 clip extension. The big bitch household. Okay. Look at that. What you now? That's looking like a head. A hair. So now, okay, now the finale piece is this piece. We got one more layer here to lay over this mug. You heard me. Let's get it. Yo, I like these clip-ins already, bro. Now we got our last piece of hair, y'all, that we gonna put over the clip-in right here at the top. And make sure it's nice and straight and nice. That way it blends everything out. I'm really going for a natural. Ooh, look at that. Y'all see how long that is? Bitch, you might as well say my hair is clip-in, bro. Okay. I was low a minute one time. I remember those days when the time was little. No motherfucking hair. I had none of it. Let me show y'all what this looks like. Y'all know I gotta fix my tail. Let's see this. It look good. I like it. Look at it. It's done pretty well. Okay. Okay. Now if the hair was a little bit shorter, I feel like it'd be a little bit better. But we ain't gonna worry about that, girl. We blended, honey. Or if my hair was like professionally, I'm not even gonna say professionally straightened, but if my shit was straight like I go to the shop or took that extra time to give it a hard press type of thing, I feel like they'll blend better. Only because my hair is a little bit shorter, but I still absolutely love the way it looks. Okay. Person that hates taking ponytails out and using hairstyles and all of this. I really prefer to just have a protective style because I personally feel like whenever I have my hair out, I just feel it popping off like sometimes. Like, okay, it's just weird. Okay, so y'all, we got our extra clip-ins, okay? Our 2 clips and 3 clips and 2 clips, and we're gonna clip them around the ponytail. See my hair is like, girl, bad, okay, but I don't care. I'm about to wear it. You heard me. I wanted a look. So y'all, last things last, I do have 2 pieces of clip-ins left over, but I'm about to do this. So we got our Evan 48-hour edge control. Okay. finished look. Shoot. It's quick, 5 minutes. You see a girl, like them edges right. Okay, do you a big bun on top? Sus. Whatever you want, sus. Okay. So I like it. It's pretty humid here, so my hair probably gonna freeze up, but guess what? Hopefully that way you do too. But no, y'all, these clip-ins were pretty. They're really soft, they're full. I like that. Yeah, you can add more to the bag to make it more fuller, or however you want to do it to make it look better to you or to your liking. I might add one clip-in right here, like those little one-piece clip-ins, just to fill in that section a little more. So yeah, that makes a difference. I'm gonna do one on the other side too. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This was just a simple, quick, fast. To be honest, like without this camera, I probably would have been done with this in 10 minutes, to be honest, if I ain't had to do all this talking and stuff. So it's a little quick 10-minute half up, half down style that you can do with your natural hair using these extensions. So make sure y'all, if y'all want to get y'all some extensions, go check out these clip-ins. What I'm probably gonna wind up doing is putting all of my hair up, adding the clip-ins around, and then doing me a messy bun. That's probably what I'm gonna wind up doing, depending on how my hair acts. But yeah, so yeah, definitely choose clip-ins that's closer to your hair type. That way you don't have to do all of that, and you can just put them in and keep going. My hair is really kinky curly, and this is just what I chose straight because I knew the styles that I wanted to do. I probably will wind up braiding my hair down in the back, adding the clip-ins in the back, so I don't have to worry about my natural hair at all, and then do what I do, whatever, I don't know. Whatever works best for you, baby. But this is it, okay? I still love it because it looks natural, and it just looks like it's natural, homegrown tresses, just you know? Tell me what y'all think down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this once again. As always, it's your girl, Chyng in this thing, and I will be back again with another one for y'all. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, y'all.
Make me the one. I love you so much. I wanna be yours. I love you so damn much. What is it gonna be? Are you and me? I love everything. The thought is so sweet. So come on and let me